Hello, this is Royal but Cool Notion Templates, and today I'm going to start my first YouTube series on how to use my templates and get the most out of them. I'm going to take you a step-by-step on how to use my Busy Reading Books tracker. So basically, the tracker is divided into 3 sections: left, middle, and right section. The left part consists of navigation and reader profile. The middle part contains a cute picture and 30 minutes reading target. Use this with the stopwatch whenever you read and record the time you spend reading. The right section consists of a highlighted quote of the day and a stopwatch. In the middle, you got a Reading Now Books gallery view. This is a view with all the books you are currently reading. After that, you got to lists, a reading goals list, and a 2020 for must-read list. Simple fill in the list and check off the items you finished. Also, you will find a reading tracker and adaptation sections. And finally, you'll find the calendar and important reminders at the bottom of the template. Now let's move back to the top of the page. The navigation part contains 5 sections: quotes, wish list, top rated, summaries, and articles. In the quotes page, there is an instruction at the beginning. Make sure you read that. You may delete it later to keep the aesthetics of the template. Now to use quotes page, simply click on the automated button right here. A quote block will appear below the button. Fill in your favorite quotes from your favorite books. Drag the block and release it to gallery view below. Now let's move into wish list. This is a simple list where you want to write down all the items you wish to buy. It could be books, bookmarks, reading devices, anything that is related to your reading journey. Now moving to top-rated books section. As usual, there are instructions on each page on this template, so always make sure to read them. To use this page, simply click on the automated new top-rated button. A page will appear below. Drag this page to the gallery view. Now click on this page and start the fill in the properties for each book. The only difference between this top-rated gallery and the Reading Now gallery is that this is filtered by top 5 stars. When you fill in the current page and the total page's properties, the progress bar will be calculated automatically. Now let's move into summaries. Here you can write down the summaries of all the books you've read so far. To add new summary, simply duplicate the existing page template. Finally, we got the last section in the navigation part. Here you will write down all the articles you've read on the internet. For me, I use this section a lot for reading medical articles, so this can be very helpful if you're a medical student. Write the article title and the author name here. Mark the status whether you have started reading it or not. Choose a theme and paste a link here. After that, we got a reader profile section, where you will simply fill in each box. Moving next to Reading Now gallery view. This is exactly similar to top 5 rated gallery, however without top 5 stars filter added. Next we have a reading tracker table view with all the books you've read so far. The idea is similar to the gallery above, so you can delete one of them and keep the other. For me, I prefer keeping them both. I hope this video was helpful. And if you are interested in this template, you can find it on my store. Link is in the description box. Until next time, see you soon.